Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Safari suggestions to appear in app, in search, widgets, and notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we go down and then tap on Safari. After that, tap on Siri and search. Now go down to the suggestions section and control. In here, you can control how your Safari suggestions will appear in app, in search, in widgets, and in notifications. So tap on one of the toggle buttons here to switch it on or off. So here we got show in app, show on home screen, suggest app, or suggestion, notifications. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.